Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I want to talk to you about a protein powder that I take in the morning time. It has really helped me with my energy level throughout the day because I take it in the morning with my breakfast. Gives me start my day with 25 grams of protein. And man, that helps me kick it off because it's hard for me to get the total amount of protein I need in a day. So if you're having that issue too, you might want to give this video a look. If you have trouble with low energy levels or want to just try and start working those upper arms and toning your muscles, I think it would be a good product for you to try. And I'll put the link in the description box below if you'd like to click on that and take a look at some more information on that. So thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy the video.